Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn cybersecurity from beginning, easy method. Begin by mapping your learning path. List topics like networks, Linux, Windows, and basic cryptography. Then choose one lab platform and start daily practice sessions of 1 hour, focusing on hands-on exercises and simple projects to build muscle memory, track progress, and adjust goals weekly to keep momentum and clarity while learning. Build core skills by alternating reading and doing. Study one protocol or tool, then practice it in a safe lab environment for at least 3 sessions. Document commands and outcomes in a personal notebook, and create small projects to reinforce concepts, such as a simple scanner or log analyzer, to turn theoretical knowledge into practical ability and confidence. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps us make more content. Quick recommendation. Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control, because a clean desk helps clear your mind for focused study. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if that sounded odd, well, now let's get back to the video. Set up a lab with virtual machines and snapshots, then install core tools like Wireshark and Nmap, run guided tutorials, and practice capturing and analyzing traffic. When comfortable, join beginner CTFs and replicate write-ups to learn methodology. Keep notes of commands and findings, and gradually increase difficulty to build skill and confidence through consistent, practical exposure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.